Which one is the weakest acid? Which one of the following is the weakest acid? Let us try to find out. Which one is the weakest acid? A. Permanganic acid. Here, oxidation number of manganese is +7. This is -8. This is +1. So, oxidation number of manganese is here +7. B. Sulfuric acid. Here, oxidation number of the central atom sulfur is +6. This is total +2. This is total -8. So, +6 is the oxidation number of sulfur. C. Perchloric acid. Here, oxidation number of the central atom chlorine is +7. +1 -8. So, this is +7. D. Nitric acid. Oxidation number of nitrogen is here +5. So, according to oxidation number, nitric acid is the weakest acid, as its oxidation number is the lowest here. Then this one, H2SO4, sulfuric acid. Here, oxidation number of sulfur is +6. That is, weakest acid is here nitric acid, then sulfuric acid. After that, permanganic acid or perchloric acid. Actually, permanganic acid is the weaker acid than perchloric acid. Here, oxidation number of manganese is +7, and in perchloric acid, oxidation number of chlorine is +7. But why this is weaker acid than perchloric acid? This is because permanganic acid ionizes to proton and permanganate ion, and perchloric acid ionizes to proton, and this is the ion here, perchlorate ion. Number 1. Structure formula of permanganate ion and structure formula of perchlorate ion. Here, electronegativity of manganese is 1.5, but electronegativity of chlorine is 3.0, which is very higher compared to manganese. As chlorine's electronegativity is higher, this charge becomes stable. So, this is more stable. After releasing proton, this is more stable, and its electronegativity is lower. So, this is less stable. That is due to electronegativity. Higher electronegativity, perchloric acid is stronger acid than permanganic acid. As chlorine's electronegativity is higher, it releases proton easily, perchlorate ion, and as manganese's electronegativity is lower, it releases proton laboriously. So it occurs easily and this proton is released laboriously. So this is the series. Weakest acid is here, nitric acid, and here the strongest acid is perchloric acid. Thank you for watching.